Perspective is everything. When you replace why is this happening to me with what is this trying to teach me, everything shifts. When you start to say, why am I still single, or why did my boyfriend break up with me, you are asking disempowering questions. It's disempowering because it's something we have no control over. And when we feel like we have no control over something, we feel powerless. So in order to get your power back, you need to focus on the questions you can control. For instance, what have I learned in this season of singleness? What has this length of time taught me about myself and about relationships? These types of questions put the responsibility back on you and not on other people. Sometimes we focus way too much on what others have done or what they haven't done. And guess what? We become victims. We become blamers and we become shamers. And so the most grown-up thing we can do right now is to take full responsibility for where we are now. Control the things you can control. You can either choose to be sad or choose to be happy, and the only person that can make that choice for you is you. The reason why you feel sad is because you want to feel sad. Yes, you do. Guess who is in control of your emotions? You are. I need you guys to understand how you feel is 100% linked to what you are thinking about. So if you're sitting there scrolling through Instagram, scrolling through Facebook, and looking at all these happy couples and thinking to yourself about how ugly, how unappreciated, how unloved, how overlooked you are, I guarantee you are going to feel sad. On the other hand, if you take your behind, go out for a walk, go by a playground, watch and listen to the kids play, or if you go get your favorite snack and watch one of your favorite shows, I guarantee you your whole zone will change. I just want you guys to know and to believe that you are in complete control of your emotions and you are completely responsible for your own happiness. Stop looking outside when you've got the key. So, like I said, perspective is everything. The most successful people in this world have the right mindset. And I'm gonna keep on saying it. It all starts with the mind. As a man thinks, so is he. Second tip on how to be happy: commit to working on yourself. And yes, that includes looking after your body, going to the gym, working out, getting your hair done, getting your nails done. However, these are all temporary investments. I'm talking about working on your real self. And let me be clear on this point: you are working on yourself for you. Be you, do you, for you. How can I be the best version of myself? Working on yourself is a long lifetime process, okay? Main thing is, and I want to encourage you guys today to start now, to start right now in this moment. Let's try this, and you've got to do it. If you feel sad right now, you've got to do this, okay? Wherever you are, sit up straight, put your head back and smile with your whole teeth. Smile. Yes, I said smile with your whole teeth. Smile, okay? Now laugh. I don't care if you have to fake it. Laugh. A real belly laugh. Laugh. All right, stop. Do you still feel sad? Don't think about it. Feel what your body feels right now. I can guarantee you your body wants to feel happy, but it's your mind that is holding you back.